Ensure you can touch the floor with your feet before bringing your baby into the water, and be aware of the depth across the pool. Look for signs or speak to your lifeguard if you're not sure, and ensure you don't go out of your depth. It is recommended that the pool temperature needs to be between 30 and 32 degrees for the pool to be a pleasant experience for your baby. If your baby is less than 12 pounds or 5.4 kilograms, then I would recommend the pool temperature needs to be 32 degrees, or put baby in a fleece-lined wetsuit to increase their body temperature. It is important that you don't use the steps or ladder to enter the pool with your baby. Entering this way is unsafe, and I wouldn't want you to accidentally fall or slip whilst holding your baby. The best way to enter the pool is by laying your baby on the pool side whilst you climb in, and then slowly bring your baby into the pool. This is also demonstrated in the How to Enter the Pool Safely video as part of Lesson 1.